Brazilian ambassador to the Philippines Gilberto Fonseca Guimarães de Moura made an introductory call to Defense Sec. Gilberto Teodoro, the Department of National Defense, last February 12, 2024. The two countries have an existing MOU on defense cooperation, which gave framework to the Philippines' acquisition of A-29B Super Tucano light attack aircraft and several thousands of Taurus Armas T4 5.56mm carbines, and supporting the acquisition of Guarani 6x6 armored vehicles through Israel's Elbit Systems. The meeting could be a reminder of Brazil's intent to supply more weapon systems to the Philippines as part of the Re-Horizon 3 phase of the RAFPMP, especially the acquisition of additional A-29B Super Tucanos and Guarani 6x6 AVs, as well as aircraft from Embraer, including business jets as special missions platform, and the KC-390 transport aircraft. Additionally, the offer includes collaboration agreements in technology transfer and personnel training, which could provide long-term benefits for the Philippines in building their national defense capacity. This collaboration is expected to strengthen ties between the two countries and expand cooperation in the defense sector. The Philippines itself is trying to improve its defense capabilities in response to geopolitical developments and regional security threats. By accepting the offer from Brazil for the A-29 Tucano, the Philippines can obtain a reliable platform to support their air defense operations. Embraer announced that it has signed a services agreement with the Philippine Air Force to support their fleet of A-29 Super Tucano aircraft. This agreement will provide support for more than 200 part numbers of the A-29 Super Tucano. The Philippine Air Force, PAF, considered the acquisition of 6 Super Tucano aircraft to replace the aging OV-10 Bronco. In late 2017, Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana signed the contract for the acquisition of 6 Embraer Super Tucano to fulfill the Close Air Support Aircraft Acquisition project as included in the AFP Modernization Program's Horizon 1 phase. On the 13th of October 2020, 6 A-29B Super Tucanos were handed over to the PAF. They were inducted with the 16th Assault Squadron, 15th Assault Wing. Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana plans to acquire 6 more A-29B Super Tucano short-range support aircraft to increase the PAF's inventory. By 2024, the Air Force aims to operate 24 aircraft, which can equip 2 squadrons. 12 aircraft will be delivered in 2024, with 6 aircraft following in the middle of the year. The Philippine Air Force's fleet of 6 A-29 Super Tucano aircraft were delivered in 2020 during the global pandemic. This aircraft is operated and maintained by the 15th Strike Wing of the Philippine Air Force. This move also reflects Brazil's strategy to increase its exports of defense products, which could open up opportunities for closer economic and military cooperation between the two countries. Along with this, it is hoped that the Philippines will carefully consider this offer in accordance with the national defense needs and foreign policy. With this official bidding process, it is hoped that relations between Brazil and the Philippines in the defense sector will become closer, creating a mutually beneficial framework and helping to maintain security stability in the Southeast Asia region. The Embraer A-29 Super Tucano is a Brazilian turboprop light attack aircraft designed and built by Embraer. The A-29 Super Tucano carries a wide variety of weapons, including precision-guided munitions, and was designed to be a low-cost system operated in low-threat environments. In addition to its manufacture in Brazil, Embraer has set up a production line in the United States in conjunction with Sierra Nevada Corporation for the manufacture of A-29s to export customers. Last year, Embraer's worldwide fleet of A-29 Super Tucano aircraft reached 500,000 flight hours. With more than 260 units delivered, the aircraft has already been selected by more than 15 air forces worldwide. A global aerospace company headquartered in Brazil, Embraer has businesses in commercial and executive aviation, defense and security, and agricultural aviation. Since it was founded in 1969, Embraer has delivered more than 8,000 aircraft. On average, about every 10 seconds an aircraft manufactured by Embraer takes off somewhere in the world, transporting over 145 million passengers a year. Embraer is the leading manufacturer of commercial jets up to 150 seats and the main exporter of high-value added goods in Brazil. The company maintains industrial units, offices, service and parts distribution centers, among other activities, across the Americas, Africa, Asia and Europe.